Okay, so now let's talk about word problems and we'll do an example. So the key about word problems is you're going to be given word problems and you need to be able to translate the words in the word problems into a system of equations, and then once you have a system of equations to deal with, then you're just using algebra. But you can't get out of the gate unless you know how to translate the words in the word problem to an algebraic equation or system of equations to work with. Okay? So let's start. So here we have the sum of two numbers is 26 and their difference is 2. Okay. X and Y. So again, the difference of two numbers or the sum of two numbers. Whenever they're telling you two numbers, all you have to do, they're unknown numbers, right? In this case, we're being told the sum of two numbers is 26. So how do we translate that into symbols, into an equation? Well, we've got to represent the two numbers somehow. Now, I don't care if you use N1 and N2, or if you use XY or AB or WX or WZ or whatever you want to use, ML, XT. You just have to represent them by using some variable. Now, typically, we use X and Y, so let's do that. So we'll use X and Y for the unknown variables. Now we just need to translate the words using those variables into what's being said or from what's being said in the sentence. So if we say the sum of two numbers is 26, and we're going to represent X and Y as those two numbers that we're adding, right? Because that's what sum means, is we're adding, right? So we're saying the sum of those two numbers is 26. So that means that X plus Y, right? We're a sum. Right? The sum of these two numbers means equals 26. Okay? Now, the next part of the phrase is, or the sentence is, their difference is 2. Okay? Their difference is 2, which means subtraction, right? Difference means subtraction. So if we take the subtraction of the two, we're saying it's 2. Now we have our system of equations. Okay? And then at this point, we can just add, right? So in this case, they're already opposite signs here, so we can just add these two equations. We get 2x equals 28. And so if we divide both sides by 2, we get x equals 14. And if x equals 14, then we can back substitute, right? So if we back substitute, again, it doesn't matter which one. So let's do this one. So 14 minus y equals 2. So that means y equals 14 minus 2, which is 12. So 14 comma 12 is the solution. Have a great day.